In this session, we will learn about the object and array in JSON. Object and array both sound similar, but there is a difference between them. Let's see. Object is an unordered set of name and value pair, while array is ordered collection of the value. Object is enclosed in curly braces, while array is enclosed with the square brackets. We are already see how to create an object in the our previous example of the item, which has the 5 different property. Let's create a simple example for the array and retrieve those value from the array. I am switched to Sublime Text, creating a new file which represent the JSON data. First of all, create object and create a property with the name of messages, colon for separation, and a square bracket which specify the array. I am create array of the string, so I am add the various string. Hello, how are you? Good morning. See you later. That's it. In this example, first of all, we are create a object which has one property named messages, which contain the three different element in the form of array. Now we are creating a new file in which we are retrieving those data using the JavaScript. Save it with the name of demo2.html, html:5, JSON array, script tag, where JSON data equal to, and now I am copy the our JSON data and assign to the our variable and give the proper indent. For retrieving the element from the array, we need to write the variable that hold the JSON data dot key of the property and its index that we want to access. For example, document dot to write first item would is JSON data dot messages of 0. Not that the index is a start with the 0, and add the colon. Now open it in the browser. We got the our result. Hello, how are you? We can get any item within the array. Let's retrieve all of the item. Right. HR. I am adding HR tag for separation and copy paste those. Instead of first, I add second and third and change the index to 1 and 2. And now reload. We got all the element. Hello, how are you? Good morning, and see you later. We can create an array of the any type. In this example, we are create an array of string, but we can even create an array of objects too. Let's understood it with the our previous example in which we are creating the item object Now we are creating the array of this item object. For this I am create a new property with the name of items, which hold the array of each item, and colon for separation, add the square bracket, and give the proper indent, close the square bracket and close the curly braces. Now I am copying this item object multiple times and add the comma and changing the value to 02 second title, second description, oops, description already written, third title, third description. And change this false to true, and its value would be, let's take 100. I am adding the horizontal ruler in this document.write. And now copying this, no, first of all I am write the modify this so we can access the item detail. For this we are writing the variable name. We need to add the property name, means key, in the statement for retrieving the data items dot, and we need to pass the index for this and add this into the all of the statement. By using this statement we can get all the detail of the item placed on the 0 index, that is this item. And now we are reload our previous example and undefined. Oops, I am forget to add in this line as well as this. Okay, we got the 101 my title, long description, availability false and null. For retrieving other, I am now copy and paste. You may use the loop. I am perform the search and replace operation. Replace the 0 index with the 1 and 0 index with the 2. Save it and reload it. Now we are get the details of the all the item. I am forget to change the index of third item, but its description is here, so I can identify this is third item. For retrieving the element from object with the array, we need to write the variable which hold the JSON data dot key of the property and specify the index dot key of the our property that we want to retrieve.